In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the email tied to your account so you don't miss important invoices, client replies, or account notifications. You'll want access to your Freshbooks password and to the inbox for the new email you plan to use. Start by signing in to your Freshbooks account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where you can get to your profile settings. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile photo or initials there. Click that profile area to open the menu. From that menu, choose Account Profile. This takes you to your personal account settings, where you can adjust details like your name and, most importantly for today, your email. Find the section labeled Email and select the option to change your email address. You'll see a field to enter your new email. Type the address you want to use going forward. Take a moment to double check the spelling. Small typos can lock you out or cause you to miss notifications. Right below it, you'll be asked to confirm the new email. Re-enter the same address exactly as you typed it the first time. This confirmation protects you from accidental mistakes. For security, Freshbooks will ask for your current password before applying the change. Enter your password to authorize the update. When you're ready, choose Save Changes. This is the step that actually applies your new email to the account. Now head over to your email inbox. You should receive a message confirming that your Freshbooks email address has been updated. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two, then refresh. Also check your spam or junk folder and any filtered tabs like promotions, just in case the message was routed there. Reading that confirmation lets you know the update went through successfully. That's all there is to it. Your Freshbooks login and notification email is now updated. The next time you sign in, use the new address. Your password remains the same unless you choose to change it separately. As a final tip, keep access to your old email for a short while, just in case any pending messages arrive there before the change fully propagates. And if you work with a team, remember this change affects your personal account email. It doesn't modify other users' logins. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more secure Freshbooks experience with your updated email.